Hi there, my name is Ashley Hubbard, and in this video, I'll be talking about this question: how can you lose weight without counting calories? And I'm going to give you 3 very important tips that you do not want to miss. They will help you succeed. So, if you have a goal to lose some weight, please do make sure you stay tuned because I will help you be successful. Keep watching. Step number 1: write a weekly meal plan. Start to write up meal plans for the week. When you're trying to change your diet and eat more healthy to lose weight, planning out your meals can be helpful. You can write out your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack options for a week at a time. You may need to have a day of meal prep set aside to make meals quicker. For breakfast, you can have half a grapefruit with a bowl of oatmeal, or you could have a scrambled egg with sautéed vegetables and low-fat cheese. For lunch, you could have a large salad with lettuce, spinach, beets, carrots, and a handful of walnuts, half an avocado and beans, black or gambazanzo, and you can drizzle a little balsamic vinegar over the top. For dinner, you might go for grilled salmon with a little dill and lemon, with a serving of brown rice and grilled zucchini. If you need a snack, go for protein and a fruit or vegetable. Try a hard-boiled egg and an apple, or Greek yogurt with blueberries and ground flaxseed. Here's another tip. If you have a simple meal plan, you may not be so tempted to grab a high-calorie meal or snack. Step number 2: measure out your food portions. Calorie counting, limiting certain food groups, or restricting carbs or fat isn't always an easy diet plan to follow and can make losing weight more difficult. Consuming all foods and keeping an eye on portions is an easier and more practical way to help you start a weight loss plan that brings results. When you're measuring and monitoring your portion sizes, you will naturally cut out some calories, which can help you lose weight and improve your health. You can invest in a food scale, measuring cups, or measuring spoons to help you keep on track. You may also want to measure any bowls, cups, or containers you have at home to see how much food they hold. This can help you track food items more easily. Measuring portions doesn't mean you have to be hungry all the time. You can use strategies to feel more full, such as drinking water with every meal that you have, and eating every 3 hours to boost your metabolism and keep your energy levels up. Step number 3: eat a healthy, balanced diet. If you want to become healthier and lose weight, eating the right foods will go a long way towards helping you lose weight and keep it off. Eating a balanced diet simply means that you're consuming adequate amounts of each nutrient that your body needs to function. To do this, you'll need to eat more of the recommended servings of each food and food group to help you meet your daily nutrient needs. Measuring your portion sizes can help you manage this more easily. In addition to eating foods from each food group, it's a good idea to include a large variety of foods within each food group. For example, all vegetables provide you with a different array of healthy vitamins and minerals, which are supportive for weight loss. You can replace your favorite fast food sweets and carbonated drinks with healthy substitutes such as protein bars, nuts, and fruit smoothies. For example, you can swap candy bars with fruits and berries, soda drinks with fresh juice or tea, ice cream with yogurt or cottage cheese, and by doing this, you will reduce sugar, eat less calories, and can boost weight loss. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Which tip from the video are you going to use first? Are you going to practice writing a weekly meal plan, or start eating a more healthy, balanced diet? Either way, let me know now by leaving a quick comment below the video. So if you want a solution that will help you become healthier and slimmer and help you get results, if you really want to experience that, go and click the link in the description box below the video now and check out the website bit.ly/Prime Health and go and take a look at the health products that are available. You can find them on the products section on the website. All you need to do is click the link in the description below the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please remember to do so and please turn on notifications so that you get notified about new videos. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and leave some love in the comments below. I will see you next time.